Hello and welcome to this quick video overview of how to log into the Conga Revenue Lifecycle Management Cloud. To start us off, I am here on the login page of the Conga Lifecycle Management Cloud. And to get here, the URL that I visited is login-rls.congacloud.com. So once I enter that URL, I will be taken to this login page, and I'll have the option to select either signing in with SAML or with IDP. For this particular example, I'm going to show how to log in with Salesforce IDP, but your login may vary a little bit. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is go ahead and select Salesforce from this IDP dropdown. Then I'll go ahead and hit sign in. The next thing I'm going to want to do is enter my credentials, so you can see that I have them set to autofill here. Next, I'll click login. And once I've clicked login, it will redirect me into the Conga Revenue Lifecycle Management Cloud. So with that, that has been a quick video overview of how to log into the Conga Revenue Lifecycle Management Cloud. I hope that this has been helpful and that you have a great day. Thanks.